Getting comfortable with IDE features.
Many beginners overlook the powerful features IDEs offer, not exploring built-in shortcuts, code navigation, and auto-completion can slow learning and productivity. Take time to experiment with menus, toolbars, and documentation. Familiarity with features like debugging tools and version control integration can streamline your workflow and make troubleshooting much easier.
Ignoring project structure and settings.
Mismanaging your project setup is a common mistake. Failing to understand how your IDE organizes files and dependencies can lead to confusion or errors. Always pay attention to your IDE's project templates and configuration files. Setting up your coding environment properly protects your work from build issues and makes collaboration smoother.
Relying too heavily on auto-completion.
Autocomplete can save time, but overuse can hinder learning. Relying on it without understanding the underlying code makes recognizing bugs harder and limits growth. Strive to balance speed with comprehension. Use autocomplete as a helper, but regularly write out code yourself to reinforce concepts and syntax.
Neglecting debugging tools and error messages.
Beginners often overlook built-in debugging features or ignore error messages. IDEs usually provide in-depth debugging tools, helpful warnings, and suggestions. Learning how to interpret and respond to these resources can prevent frustration and save time. Explore your IDE's error highlights, breakpoints, and step-through options to find and fix issues efficiently.
Forgetting to save and backup work.
Losing code progress due to unsaved changes is surprisingly common. Modern IDEs usually autosave, but it's wise to develop habits like manual saving and regular project backups. Take advantage of integrated version control systems. These protect your code from accidental loss and allow you to track changes or restore previous work easily.